Beau Durbin, executive broker of ESQ Realty Group. Hey, I'm out here on one of my new listings off of Manson Loop, which is a nice 13-acre piece of property just off Carpenter Dam. The actual address is 219 Manson Loop. This is kind of right over there by the turn where you would go to Garvin Gardens. Manson Loop is right across the street. But in any event, this is a great piece of property if you're looking to build a house in Lakeside School District. There's not a lot of land for sale in Lakeside School District, which most of you probably know who have been looking for land. This property's got, again, 13 acres. It's a mix of pasture and trees. There are several building spots out here. There's a new entrance that's just been put in off of Manson Loop. So I would encourage you guys, if anyone's looking for land, come check this one out. I'll show you some pictures and little video clips here, and let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot.